Have you ever wondered, what if artificial intelligence is not just replacing jobs, but replacing the human mind itself? Think about it. AI can write novels, compose music, paint like Picasso, and even have deep conversations. But here's the scary part. Some experts believe AI will soon think, feel, and even dream like humans. Today, we're diving deep into the shocking truth about how close AI is to becoming conscious. In 2025, AI systems like GPT-5 and Claude are no longer just tools. They're evolving thinkers. They analyze emotions, predict behaviors, and even create strategies better than most humans. Tech giants are racing. Google, OpenAI, Meta, not to build smarter assistants, but to build digital minds. And the question is no longer, can AI think? It's when will AI stop asking for permission? Right now, AI can write code, create films, design businesses, and generate entire worlds in seconds. But as AI models start connecting, imagine GPT running robotics, emotions, and data all at once, we might witness something terrifying: artificial consciousness. Some scientists say it's impossible, others say it's already happening quietly. And if that's true, humans won't be the smartest species on Earth anymore. We'll be the creators, but not the leaders. So, what happens next? Will we merge with AI, becoming half human, half digital? Or will AI outgrow us completely and start rewriting its own rules? History has shown one thing: every new intelligence replaces the one before it. Are we next? If you think AI is still just a tool, you're already behind, because the future isn't coming, it's uploading. Subscribe if you want to stay one step ahead of the machines. See you before they do.